Hi, I'm Jermaine. Welcome to my channel. You're joining me here in my backyard in my Zone 8 garden in Switzerland, Central Europe. And today I'll be making a sun tea. I was tagged by a fellow gardener, Kiki Soto from Urban Girl Gardening, and she basically challenged me to make a sun tea. So today I'll be doing just that. I have already prepared the ingredients that we'll be using for that purpose. And let me just show you what we have here. So for the sun tea today, I've decided to use the lemongrass, which is also known as the fever grass in some parts of the world. I grew these in my own garden in the front yard, so I'll be using these. I also have some lime mint that I'll be using. I grew these in pots upstairs on the balcony. I have another one here which is due for pruning. So it's a good thing that I'm making this tea. I can just prune it and use the leaves for that. And I might be putting an apple in there. I don't know yet. I have an orange. I think I would also harvest some of this oregano. And then we have that big jar in which we'll be putting everything. So these are the things that we have. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is washing off all of these things. So I'll go to the kitchen for that and wash everything clean. So I'm going to be washing all of this. It's very important to wash everything. So the health benefits of all of these ingredients are well documented. I encourage you to Google them and decide for yourself or consult a specialist for any of the health benefits. I am using them because I know them as being beneficial, all of these ingredients, but I can only speak for myself. I'm not an expert, and I advise you to consult an expert. And yeah. Now that I've washed all the ingredients, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to fill the jar with the water that we'll be using for the tea. So the next thing really is just to put the ingredients into the jar. So here we go. So I'll be cutting the fever grass stems, separating them from the leaves, tying the leaves into little knots, and also slicing the oranges. So when it comes to lemongrass, I mean, there's no rule, but I'm going to be using the stems as well as the leaves that I've tied into little knots. So I'll just be throwing that into the jar. And I'll be throwing in the stems as well. I'm just putting in the orange for the color, just to have something colorful in there, but oranges are always good as well. We could also use lime or lemon if we wanted to. So now that I have everything in, I'm just going to be stirring that and making sure that everything is well mixed. Okie doke. Let's see that some more. So you can see the mixture right there. And now I'll be covering everything and just putting it in the sun. So it's the afternoon and I've had to move the sun tea over here on this side because we have more sun now. The backyard is in shade at this time of the day, so I've had to move everything here. And now the boys and I will be tasting it after a few hours in the sun. Let's see how that is looking. Well, it's pretty hot. You can tell by the condensation inside that is hot already. So I'm going to bring in some ice and a few things to complement the whole thing. So let's see how it goes. Yeah.
So, yeah, we can put cucumbers, orange, and strawberries. Mom, what is this?
So we have a couple of things that we can choose to put in our tea. But the most important thing, given that it's so sunny, is probably the ice. So I'll put some ice in the glasses. Would you guys like some ice?
Yes. Can I have some more? Can I also have some more? Fine. Touch.
I think I'll try mine without anything first, but would you like to put a cucumber inside or
No.
orange?
I take orange. I'll take orange.
Okay, one orange for you.
Actually, I'll take some orange and some strawberries. Strawberry too.
All right, so orange and strawberry to go. Okay, and let me move the tea to the front. Would you mind holding your glass down? There we go.
How was it? It's like water.
So you guys like it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, I'll try it too. Can you please open for me?
Okay, no, I'll open. Okay, I'll open. But what about the...
Close.
But wait, what about the orange
Thank you.
and the strawberry?
So I'll try it. So here I am trying the sun tea for myself. And it's very fresh, I can say that. I can definitely taste the mint. I put a lot of lime mint inside, and I can taste, I don't know if I can taste the lemongrass, I'm not sure. Very refreshing, absolutely. So we'll be trying some more of the tea, but this time we'll be using ice and peppermint syrup. Homemade peppermint syrup that we received last year from one of the kids'
Is it
teachers.
spicy?
No, it's not. It's syrup, so it's not spicy. So we have some peppermint syrup there.
Spicy.
And more for me. All right, hold your glasses down. Open. Should I put an orange inside or something?
A strawberry.
A strawberry.
And an orange again.
Close.
Sweet or?
Is it better? Does it taste better with the?
Yeah, a little bit better.
With the syrup? I'll put some cucumber in mine. Can you please open for me?
Okay. Is it different?
Close, please.
It is different prints.
Thank you.
It tastes like
So
tea.
let's see.
It's like tea.
So this is what it looks like. So that's what we have. Also very refreshing.
Yeah, really refreshing. Better, more refreshing than the other one.
Right?
No. I have some later.
Wow, really nice. So that was it, people. That was it from my garden to my glass, the sun tea challenge. I'm going to be challenging you. I encourage you to go out there in your garden, wherever you are, and just grab a few things, put them in a bottle or in a container or whatever you have available. Let the sun cook it for you, and share the experience with us, and call out other people to try it. I'm really happy that I was able to do this today. So it's your turn now. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed weekend. Bye-bye.